Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique and Crafting Page. I'm using this cute little hat, little sun hat from Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to take their bow off of it. Oh, it was glued on there. Alright, so I've got some of this cotton nautical rope from Dollar Tree. Most of their nautical rope looks like twine, but this is like a white. Alright, so we're going to use this nautical rope to make some little braids for our girl. So y'all know I don't measure. If you're new, I don't measure anything, just so y'all know. So I'm gonna do 2 for each side. Alright, so I've just cut me 4 pieces of the nautical rope. We're gonna do 2 pieces per side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of twine and tie at the top. So just tie it like I've got it there with a piece of twine, and then just twist it. Alright, y'all. So y'all see I just twisted that and then I tied it at the bottom. So now what I'm going to do at the bottom is like untwist it and kind of fray it a little bit. Just untwist it. And pull the threads apart. And then I'm just going to trim it up. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other 2. Okay. So, let's see how I'm going to do this. Oh. Alright, so I have some little red lace. And I'm just going to put it around the hat, like as if it were ribbon. Alright, so I'm just gluing this on. Oh, good. I'm glad you're doing good, Carrie. I'm just going to put a little dot, of glue here and there. So then I bought this pack. Where's my other? And it had 2 fans in it. So, I'm going to glue this open. I'm just putting some glue in to hold it together. And then it has the little smaller one. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just putting glue right along that. Normally you would just put a ribbon through it, but I'm not doing that because of the way I'm using it. And then I'm gonna let's see. I gotta decide, make sure it looks the way I want it to. Yeah, that's good. All right. So now that I have this, all this stuff laid the way I want it, I'm just gonna glue it all together. So basically what I did was I took my 2 fans and I laid one, you know, the biggest one down, then put the smaller one on top of it. And then I laid my hair, my little braids on there. And I'm just putting glue on it, on the braids. And laying them on top of the smallest flag, like that. Or the, not flag, fan. Anyway, I put the biggest one down, laid the smaller one on top of it, and then laid the braids on top of that. And I'm going to glue all this together. And I feel like my braids need more glue to stay in place. And I'm just putting glue like on the creases that are standing up. To stick that to the other one. Okay, and then let me show y'all what it looks like so far. So this is what it looks like. So this is what the hat looks like after I put the red ribbon on it. And then I'm just going to put some little flowers on it. I have these. Well, Lord, those all look about smushed to death. I have these little mums. And then I have some red carnations. And then some baby's breath, which I don't know if I'll put any of the baby's breath in it or not. And I'm just going to start gluing these on here. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. And I think that's enough flowers. I got these little socks too, to look like her little shoes. Y'all, this is gonna be so cute. This reminds me of back in like the 80s when people would decorate these hats with flowers and stuff and hang them on their walls in their house for decoration. That's what it reminds me of. But it's so cute. Okay, let me put some glue on the sock. Oh, come on. Get back over there. So I just put some glue on the sock to hold it in place. Okay. And now I'm going to glue the hat on, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, y'all, look. Tell me she is not adorable. Is that not stinking cute? Look at her. And her name is gonna be Glory. Y'all know I have to name everything, so her name is gonna be Glory. I love her. Little Miss Glory. And y'all, literally everything on here came from Dollar Tree except for this red lace. I think I got it at Walmart. But it was in, I'm sure I got it at Walmart. It was in one of these little bins, or not bins, the little plastic cups in a bin for like I think I paid like 98 cents for it. But you can use any ribbon or whatever. I want to tie some little red ribbon around the bottom of her little braids. Kids are so funny. I may not have, well, maybe I did. No. So there she is. Now she's finished. There's Glory and all her glory. She's finished. Y'all have a great night, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love you guys. Bye-bye.